You want more power in your toys? You'll be in high-powered heaven with the Power Play Flickering Tongue. From California Exotic Novelties, the most trusted name in pleasure products since 1994. Power like no other, this amazing tongue has 3 speeds of intense vibration with just the push of a button. Check out the ergonomic controller. Made of the highest quality body-safe silicone, this intense bullet will drive you wild. Alone or with a partner, the Flickering Tongue has intense power and durability, making it a must-have in your toy box. Just 2 AAA batteries are all you need. Waterproof for fun in the shower, tub, or even the pool. Also makes cleaning super easy. Power up your playtime with the Power Play Flickering Tongue.